Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Blender from Blender's official website. We are going to go to their web page, download the file for the setup, and then set up the Blender. So first of all, you're going to go to your web browser of choice. You're going to type out Blender download. This will take you to the official Blender website. Here you will tap the link, the first link. Once you tap the first link, this will take you to the home page of Blender where you will see download Blender options. There are a lot of options for whether you're using a Mac, an iOS. For me, I'm using Windows, so I click download. Here you can check out like multiple, all the previous releases of Blender. I like to install the most recent one because it has all the updated features. It enables easy rendering. So once you press download, you will check your download. It will take you to this part where it will ask you to donate. For good luck, be a good person and donate $1 to the website so that it can help the government, it can help Blender. So check your downloads, you will see that the file has been installed. It will bring for you a pop-up. This pop-up is going to ask you if you want to install Blender. If it will not pop up, try that again. There we go. You will choose run the program. Once you run the program, it will take you to the setup where you will press install. You will choose to proceed, and yeah, that is as simple as it gets. You will go through all the steps. Look at this pop-up. It says Blender, so it will take you to where you need to go. Click next, next, next until it brings to you the loading. Once it finishes uploading, you have installed Blender.